Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a loading screen where it will start from the start to the 100%. It's so satisfying, you will like it, guys. So first of all, we'd like to import time. We'd like to import OC. Then we'd like to write while true for I in range 101 colon oc.system and string clc like always if oc.name equals nt else clear. Yep. Next thing we'd like to do is bar equals this. This emoji is my bar. Okay, so then we'd like to multiply, and instead of brackets I divide 5. Then we'd like to write print f and string. Then we'd like to write brackets, then another brackets, bar colon this 20, less than 20. Then we'd like to come over here, open up new brackets and write I, and here percentage. Yep, and then we'd like to write time dot sleep 0.05. Here time dot sleep 0.8. Save it up, let's run it. So as you see, guys, it's so satisfying. It's going from 0 to 100. So okay, guys, it was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.